Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a second generation GMC Terrain, and I will show you how to recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now, before I start showing you how to recharge the air conditioner, I will just mention that it's always advisable to have this done by a professional shop, just because they can completely evacuate the system. They can connect to both high pressure and low pressure charging ports. If you do it by yourself, all you can do is connect to low pressure charging port and add refrigerant. If you are on a budget, then this is something for you, as you can do it by yourself. Now, to charge the air conditioner, you will need the AC recharge kit, which usually consists of AC recharge hose, and it comes with at least 2 cans of AC refrigerant. Now, you can buy these kits at pretty much any car parts store, online. I've even seen them in the grocery stores last summer. The usual price for the kit is around $50–60, but then once you have it, you can reuse this hose as many times as you wish, and for each new recharge you just have to buy the cans, which are around $5–6. And also, I will show you right here, there is a sticker which will point out which type of refrigerant goes into the system and what is the maximum charge. Now, most important thing when doing this by yourself, you don't want to overcharge the system, right? Because then you can damage the AC compressor. But what you will do, you will keep monitoring this gauge, and you don't want to go over the red, and you are good. Now, how this will work: first you will attach the can to this side of the hose, then you will connect the other side to the low pressure charging port, and then you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in, and then you will start the vehicle and start charging the system. Okay, once the can is connected to that side, now you will connect this side to the low pressure charging port. Now, you will have 2 ports. This one on the top, this is the high pressure port, and down there, I will try to zoom in, that is the low pressure charging port, and that's where you have to connect your hose. So first you want to remove that cover, the cap actually. Okay, and there is the port. So what you will do, you will kind of lift this sleeve up and just connect it to that port, and once that's done, then you will pierce the can. Okay, I won't be able to record this because my hand is on the way, but that's what you have to do. And now, once everything is connected, now you will turn this knob all the way in to pierce the can. You don't want to pierce the can before you connect the low pressure port, because then the refrigerant from the can will leak out, right? So this is what you will do. And once this is pierced, now you can proceed inside the vehicle and start the engine. Okay, now start the engine. And what you want to do, you want to set the temperature to lowest setting, you want to turn on the air conditioner, and you want to turn on the air circulation inside the cabin, and set the fan speed to the highest setting. And once that is done, you can proceed outside and start charging the system. Okay, I hope you can hear me. So you will turn the can upside down and slowly start releasing this knob. Now, this doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time and keep monitoring the gauge, because you don't want to overcharge the system, right? So just do it slowly. when I'm maybe halfway done, I like to take a break and proceed inside the vehicle and see if I can feel any difference in the air being blown. And that's what I will do now. So yeah, just get inside the cabin and try to feel that air being blown out. Now I'm recording this in the middle of the winter, so I can't really feel anything, right? But this is what I usually do, and if you are doing this in the summer, and you probably are, this is also something you can do just to make sure this is actually working out for you. But always keep monitoring the gauge, because that's the most important thing. This is just something to prove yourself that you're actually adding refrigerant to the system and the AC is starting to get cold. Okay, and now just keep adding the refrigerant until the AC is charged and you are happy with the results. In my case, the system was empty and I had to add the complete can. Okay, once you are done, don't forget to install this cap back on the low pressure charging port, because that's something people usually forget to do, right? And now you should have nice and cold air conditioner. Also, I have to add, all of this will work in case there is no leaks coming from the AC lines and your AC compressor is working. If you have a leak, you'll have to take the vehicle to a professional shop. Like I said, they have all the right equipment. They can recharge the system using a special die, and they can diagnose where the leak is coming from and fix it for you. If you have a small leak, you can try using a so-called seal fix. It's refrigerant mixed up with a special solution which can fix small leaks, and then you should be good for at least couple of months, right? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.